come on, come on. Shit, what are you doing? Scared me.
Making sure he doesn't get in front of me.
Don't do this shit. Don't. As the registration owner, I forbid it. He's following us.
I know, he's following us to the police station.
What police station?
Down here. What, you didn't hit me? I have a dash cam. Dash cam, dude. Calm down.
When you stop doing that, I told you.
He was trying to hit us on purpose.
Is he following us?
I turned around. I didn't want him to fucking rear end us. I mean, we were rear ended him.
Jesus Christ.